Okay, Brandon, how do you think your rocket's gonna do?
Okay.
I think it's gonna go pretty well. Better than last year.
Alright, what do you think? How do you think your rocket's gonna do?
Down.
Okay. How do you think your rocket's gonna do?
Horribly.
Horribly? Okay. You two, how do you think your rocket's gonna do?
We don't have one. We don't have one.
Oh, dang.
She got tragic.
I see a rocket down there. How do you think it's gonna do?
Bad.
Bad? Oh. Chubby! How do you think your rocket's gonna do?
We will be long on the other side.
How do you think your rocket's gonna do?
It's gonna do a bit well.
How do you think your rocket's gonna do?
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be FNAF. Thank you, sir. What about you? How do you think your rocket's gonna do?
Pretty good, I guess.
Alright. Stable.
Brady, what happened here, huh?
I'm blind. Oh,
No! Brady, you rocked it! Oh!
Girl, bye. Yeah, he's over there.
He's tap dancing. Our rocket did pretty good. Ours went all the way down. Yana!
How do you think your rocket did, bro?
I think it did quite well.
Cookie Monster did amazing. I'd like to see more Cookie Monster content. Like, how did you think you did with your rocket launches?
So I launched it 3. The first time was good, but the parachute didn't deploy properly. Second time, basically the same thing. But I burnt up my parachute a little bit. Third time I burnt up my parachute a lot.
Oh wow.
And then because I was using like one piece of recovery wadding that was about this big, this much recovery wadding.
Wow.
My racket is very charred in the inside, and if I launch it again, it's going to need a full rebuild. That's about an hour or 2 of work because I have to pull everything out, put everything back on. If you look, my nose cone. This is the paper I was holding on my nose cone.
Oh wow.
There's a fire inside of it.
Wow.